So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be some rather intense skincare. So in a prior video, I demonstrated the benefits of using microneedling in your skincare routine to help in the anti-aging process. So in the past, I have used a manual microneedler. It's a little roller that has tiny little needles in it. So for today's video, we're going to upgrade that manual microneedling roller to an electronic Dr. Pen microneedling system. So I watch a lot of beauty bloggers that do some rather intense home treatments. You can control the depth that the needle punctures the skin and also control the revolutions that rotate on your skin. They rave about it. They say how great it is to use it at home, and it's sort of an upgraded system than having the manual roller. So I purchased the Dr. Pen about 2 years ago, but to be honest, I was super afraid to try it. I'm used to this manual roller that has very tiny needles in it and very short needles, so it can't really puncture very far. So I'm just going to put my big girl panties on and we are going to test this out today. So it does come with two different size needle attachments. One is the 36-inch and one is the 12-inch needle. And this is the one I'm going to use today because I want to start out with a much smaller needle head because this is the first time I've ever used this product. All the products I purchased today I'll leave in the description box below so you guys can find them. I'm going to mix up a concoction for my skin treatment today. So I'm going to start off with some hyaluronic acid essence. That's a little ball of collagen. This is the Glutenex Instant Brightening Solution. This is going to help the skin look all glowy. My last product is the Beta Serum, and I'm going to add that to the mixture as well. It does come with an instruction booklet on how to set up the pen. So the needles are medically sealed. I'm going to put some gloves on just so I don't contaminate anything. So it's got a little spring there. It says to put it into the slot and then turn counterclockwise to lock it in. So it's nice and secure. I did sterilize my glass container before I put my products in there with 99% alcohol. It starts at 0.25 and it can go all the way up to 2. You rotate the needle head there until you get to the depth that you want. That's the first level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level. But I'm going to go back down to the first level. Some of you might be wondering, why are you about to aerate your face? So there are two benefits to microneedling. One, it creates little channels in your skin that allow the skincare to penetrate deeper into the dermis, so you're getting more benefit out of your products. And it also causes trauma to the skin. When your body experiences trauma, it sends collagen to that area to help repair it. Collagen is what keeps our skin looking plump, looking youthful. So I'm going to take the top off. And there you can see the needles are right inside there. And then I set the depth of my needle to 0.25. That's the lowest setting on the machine. Okay, I had to take a deep breath because I am pretty nervous to actually try this on my skin. It's the slowest revolution. And I'm just going to run it across my skin. Ooh. Actually, that's not so bad. So this is the crosshatch method where you do it one way down and then you can go at a diagonal as well. I've got some acne scars right there. Just going to run it over a few times. What it feels like is little tiny needles going across your skin. When you go more towards the top part of the forehead, you can feel the needles a little more intensely, but not so bad. But again, I'm on the lowest setting. Don't mind the little bruise there. That's still from when I got my filler. It doesn't hurt or anything. I will avoid that area with the machine. Okay. Go around my nose area a little bit. Definitely don't want to do this on dry skin. You need some slip there so that the needle doesn't get caught. And also, when you're making the little holes, you want skincare to go into those little holes. I'm just going to be very gently around my eye area. The pen is nice for that, to go into those tight areas, because when I have this roller, I really can't go into anywhere super tight. So these are one-time use cartridges. So when I'm done with it, I'm going to dispose of it. My chin area has thicker skin, and I do have acne scars. I'm going to go up to 0.5. Still going to keep it on level 1. Not bad, actually. So do some cross-hatching. Go the other way. I did like the 0.5. I'm going to see if I can tolerate it on my cheek area. You know, it would be nice if you could get a diamond tip for this, and you could do microdermabrasion at home as well. It does feel weird on the tip of your nose. I've got a little wrinkle right there. I'm just going to go over that area a second time. It's not painful. It does feel a little bit weird, only because you're getting this vibration of the needles coming across your skin, but no blood. So I also want to do my neck and my chest area. Now this skin isn't as sensitive as my facial skin. I'm going to leave it at the 0.5, but I'm going to turn the speed up to the second revolution and see if I can handle that. Feels a little more intense, but not by much. And go across. For this half of my neck, I'm going to turn it up 1/4 to 0.75. I'm starting to get those rings. I don't like it. But and diagonally. I'm going to leave it at the 0.75 depth and the revolution speed of on number 2, and I'm going to go ahead and do my chest area. It does feel a little weird when you roll over your collarbone area. I think this was what it feels like if you got a tattoo and they did on the bone area. There's no blood or anything. That's just my skin turned red because of the irritation, and that's fine. I was very afraid to try this. I really thought it was going to be more intense, because to me, this is a tool you will grow into or use a lot more over time. And as your skin gets tougher or as more issues starts to come up, then you can just keep increasing it. I actually kind of like this Dr. Pen. So the cord for this is super long, and I actually have it plugged in behind me. I don't mind that it's a plug-in one and not a battery operated one. Probably took me 20-25 minutes to do my whole face, do my neck, and do my chest, just to make sure I got everywhere that I wanted to. And I wanted to be super careful because I'm not trying to hurt my skin. I'm just trying to stimulate that collagen so that my skin will be smoother, it'll be plumper, it'll have some nice radiance to it, and it's going to help with the anti-aging. This is going to help with those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead. It's going to help with these lines here, and I have that nasty little persistent wrinkle that's right about there. So now that I've done all that skincare, I do want to top it all off with a mask because I really want to hold in all that hydration. For my face, I'm going to use the Lancome. This is the Hydrogel Melting Mask. Tons and tons of great skincare in here. I have one of these silicone bear masks to go over top. And this is just to hold it in place. So I'm going to use one of the Dr. Yam's Photo Pore Clear Mask. I'm going to squeeze out whatever's left over in the container. So this is going to sit on for 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to pull off the masks. So I'm just going to press in any remaining skincare. I want to get every drop of skincare into my skin. My skin has a really nice glow to it. It has a little bit of a pink hue, but really not that bad. I know this is going to dissipate as the night goes on. It's already starting to become a little more plump. It's very smooth. So now that I'm all done with my treatment, I just take this off, put the lid back on, and I can dispose of it. It's definitely an upgrade from my manual roller, which was still good. I can control the depth in which the needle punctures the skin, and I do like that I can control the speed of the revolutions. So if some areas need something more intense, or if I need some areas to be more gentle with, I totally can. So I should have probably tried this sooner. But so as the next few days go on, my skin's going to look even better. It's going to look more radiant. And as the collagen starts to build up to help to repair these areas, my skin will get even smoother, even plumper. Places like this area or the fine lines and wrinkles that I have on my forehead will actually diminish and get better. So I'm definitely going to switch over to the Dr. Pen. I like these results better. And you do that once a month or once every few weeks. I don't think that's a lot to ask. And just help to improve my skin quality overall. Make it plumper, make it smoother, make it more glowy and youthful. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.